Welcome to Our Daily Health. Beginner Workout at Home, 17 Freestyle Home Workouts. So, you've decided to work out, but you don't want to move out of your house. You want to achieve your fitness goals right at your house. Well, you can work out at home and achieve your desired body. Home workouts will help you save time you have spent driving to the gym for something else. It will also save you money. Do you feel like body weight exercises cannot help you build muscle? They can. They also have immense benefits to your general health. Beginner Workout at Home, 17 Freestyle Home Workouts. Number 1, knee push-ups. Knee push-ups are excellent for the upper body workout and are favorable for beginners. They are like usual push-ups, but here you are on your knees. Important tips: instead of lying on bare floor, use a carpet or a mat. Use a pillow or fold a towel to cushion your knees. What are the benefits of knee push-ups to your body? Knee push-ups strengthen your cardiovascular system by engaging the large muscles of your body. Your heart works hard to circulate oxygenated blood to your muscle tissues, hence promoting heart health. Promotes testosterone production and strengthens your bones, keeping you from skeletal problems like osteoporosis. The knee pushes your muscles for vitality and health. Number 2, stationary lunges. Who said you need any weights to perform the stationary lunges? You only need your body weight. There are different types of lunges: side lunges, static lunges, reverse lunges, and stationary lunges. All you need to do is stand, put your feet and hip apart by 1 foot, and take a big step backward. Lower your back knee at a 90-degree angle to ensure that both knees are bent. Press up to start position and do that several times. Remember to switch legs after your desired reps. Lunges have some benefits to your body, like reducing stress by removing the hormones liable for causing stress, promotes metabolic rate, thus helping in weight loss, improves the health of your skin by enhancing blood flow throughout your body. Number 3, bridge. The bridge is a stellar exercise for warm-up as a beginner. You lie down when your knees bend, put your feet flat on the surface and the hands extended by your hips. Lift your bottom from the floor so that your hips are entirely developed, pushing your glutes up. Then go back slowly to the initial position and keep repeating. The bridge exercises have several benefits to your body, like reducing back and knee pain, enhances your internal organs, thyroid and lungs. They help to strengthen your abs and core, relieves menopausal symptoms, improves dysmenorrhea, menstrual discomfort. Number 4, crunches. Crunches are beginner-friendly exercise that you can do right in your house without any equipment. If you want a six-pack to go for them, they'll help you. It would help if you did the crunches off the stability ball, but most importantly, master the basics. The crunches help build your abdomen muscles endurance and strengthen your core, obliques, and lower back muscles. They may boost your balance and posture and balance. Number 5, pull-ups. Pull-ups are the best upper body workout compared to the rest. They engage all your upper body muscles, including the chest, arms, and shoulders. Pull-ups may strengthen your muscles, boost full body strength and fitness. They enhance mental health by reducing anxiety, depression, and fatigue. Here is what you need to know. Differentiate between the chin-up and the pull-up. A pull-up works on your biceps in the back, while the chin-up works on your bicep with minimal effort on your end. Start with your grip firm to give your back and biceps a proper workout. It will make it simpler while you're lifting yourself. Number 6, bird dog. It is super easy to do a bird dog. You start on all fours, arms planted on the floor while on your knees, wrists beneath your shoulders and knees beneath your hips. Lift your left hand in front of you and your left lower limb behind to stay straight from your left hand to the right leg. Hold on for a second, then go back to the initial position. Follow the same steps and repeat with the opposite hand and foot. Alternate for around 30 seconds to complete 10 reps. The bird dog exercises can help improve your muscle balance and coordination, alleviate your back pain, stimulate the nerves activity in your core muscles. They help strengthen your shoulders, hips, and abdominal muscles. Number 7, toe touch. It sounds so simple, but it helps. All you need is to lie on your back, on a fitness mat, raise your legs together vertically to the ground and your knees should be slightly bent, then stretch out your arms above your head and try to touch your toes. Essential tips: the abs exercise becomes a lot easier if you use one leg. In case lifting your feet is difficult, lie down in front of a wall and lean your heels on it. Toe touch exercises can help strengthen your core, reduce lower back pain, and assist in spine and spine alignment. Number 8. Sprawl is another perfect freestyle beginner workout at home. Sprawl is a full-body workout that works many muscles at a go, but it requires a lot of energy. The best part is that no equipment is needed. While lying on a mat, bring your feet back as you allow your hips to hit the mat. Make sure to keep your head and chest off the mat. Sprawl may help burn belly fat, tone, shape your upper and lower body, burn calories, and promote weight loss. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 9. Bear crawl. The bear crawl is a splendid exercise that leaves all your muscles worked out. Bear crawl uses your shoulder, abdominal, and quad muscle strength. It may seem like a big crawl, but it requires you to support your body weight with your arms and toes instead of knees. Then crawl forward as you keep your hips low. Note that when you creep faster, the intensity increases. The bear crawl helps to strengthen your core, glute, and chest. Number 10. Sumo squats. The sumo squat is excellent for lower body strength. It works your inner thigh muscles, hamstrings, glutes, quads, and hip flexors. How to do them: stand with your legs apart, your toes should point out. Hold your arms in front of your chest as you lower your bottoms deeply in a way that your legs stay corresponding with the floor. Ensure to keep your weight on your heels. Rise with your legs fully straightened as you squeeze your glutes to the top of the movement for a proper workout. Continue for a minute. Number 11. Alternating side lunge. Alternating side lunges are a fantastic beginner workout at home. Again, no equipment is required. The alternate side lunges may help improve your metabolism to strengthen your general body muscles as it engages multiple muscles and improves your hip flexor stability. To perform the exercise, you stand with your legs together, make a significant step to the side with your left leg as you bend the other knee and push your glutes back. Go back to the starting position, do the exercise with your leg. Alternate your legs until you complete the set. Number 12. Bicycle crunches. These exercises require you to drop your mat and lie down on your back on the floor, flat. Place your hands behind your head with fingers interlaced. Lift your knees toward your chest and raise your shoulder blades from the ground. Put your right leg straight as you turn your body to the left. Place your right elbow towards the left knee. Perform the exercises with the other side to finish one rep. Note that you should not perform the bicycle crunches if you have a herniated disc. The bicycle crunches may help to strengthen your core and abdominal muscles. They also help with coordination as they force you to use various arms and legs simultaneously. Number 13. Seated trunk rotation. As simple as the name suggests, the seated trunk rotation is done while sitting on the floor with your legs together and straight. Relax your elbows and lift your arms to ensure they are even with your rib cage. Make slow twists to the right as you touch the floor with your hip. This movement is not significant, and it comes with the rotation of your ribs. Breathe in and rotate to the left to complete one rep. This exercise may improve spine stability by coordinating the pelvic muscles, strengthen your oblique. It may be of benefit to scoliosis patients by strengthening their muscles. Number 14. Mat swimming. Swimming Pilates exercises. Mat swimming exercises are easy to do. You lie on your floor with your belly as you extend your hands to the front. Legs should also be straight. Lift your legs and hands off the ground as you breathe in. Interchange your legs and arms in a flutter motion slowly. Keep doing this for about 30 seconds. The swimming Pilates exercises has some benefits to your body, like keeping your body flexible, fat and calorie burning, may relieve stress and anxiety, help strengthen your immunity by correcting your body posture and contracting the diaphragm, hence improving breathing and providing the body with enough oxygen, which helps your body function better. Number 15. Fire hydrant. Quadruped hip abductions. Fire hydrant exercises require no equipment because they are body weight workouts. You only need a mat. Start on your fours. Put your shoulders above your arms and hips above your knees. Then raise your leg far from your body, 45 degrees angle. Place your knee at 90 degrees. To start position, put your leg down to finish the first rep. Finish 3 sets of 10 reps. Tips to keep in mind. Keep your pelvis and core stable. Only your hips should move. It'll help your glutes to operate appropriately. To help your hips rotate correctly, point your foot against the opposite wall to properly rotate your hip. The fire hydrant helps to strengthen your gluteus maximus. They also tone and strengthen your core. The fire hydrant exercises reinforce your glutes, making them well-toned and sculpted. Strong glutes may reduce knee and back pain, minimize risk of injury, and improve posture. Number 16. Plank. The planks are also called the hover exercise. They are superb for beginners. Planks are excellent for core and abdominal workouts. They help strengthen your heart as well as balance and your body. They may also burn calories and burn endurance. For example, a 150-pound person can burn about 3 calories in 1 minute of holding a plank. Some essential safety tips. Ensure that you engage your core as you exercise to prevent back injury. Keep your body straight from your head to the heels. Your back should be flat, your butt should be down instead of piking upwards. Do not focus on quantity, instead, focus on quality. Number 17. Mountain climbers. Running planks. You already know these, don't you? They mainly work on your shoulders, arms, quads, and core. Due to their cardio exercise, they promote heart health. They burn calories, strengthen the core, build core endurance, and stabilize your core upper body. One important tip: breathe. You might focus on the move and hold your breath. The bottom line: having a great body shouldn't be difficult for you. You do not have to go for gym sessions to achieve your desired body, while you can do workouts at home. The internet has plenty of exercises you can do at home. You only need self-confidence and a lot of dedication. One step at a time, and you will get there. As you look for exercises that fit you, try out some of these beginner workouts at home. In case you have any skeletal problems, inform your fitness expert or doctor, and they'll advise you on the appropriate exercises for you. Which home workouts do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.